Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the phone can apply layout changes, open settings, confirm your iOS version, and update if needed. Once done, check storage briefly. Low space can interrupt repositioning. Now go to the home screen, long press an app icon. When the menu appears, choose Edit Home Screen. This puts icons into wiggle mode so you can move, stack, or delete apps. Make sure to do this before rearranging so changes stick, and you avoid accidental app deletion. Once icons wiggle, use the app library to recover missing apps by swiping leftmost. Tap and drag any app back onto a home page. If your icons are scattered, recreate folders by dragging one app onto another. Name the folder so you can find things quickly. Make sure the dock holds your 4 primary apps for instant access. If pages are out of order, tap the dots at the top, then drag pages to reorder. These steps rebuild a predictable, efficient home screen layout. To finish, tap Done or use the home gesture to exit edit mode. This locks your new layout in place. If apps are still missing or pages are scrambled, open Settings, go to Home Screen and choose Reset to Home Screen Layout. Note, this returns Apple apps to defaults. If the layout won't save, restart the iPhone, hold the power button and follow on-screen prompts. If problems persist, sign out and back into iCloud as a last resort. That refreshes synced home screen data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.